I want to point out that the car that was intercepted was based on investigation and intelligence into an alleged contract killing.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Police responded to a robbery in progress at a store in Bellevue District, St. Thomas last Thursday. When police arrived on the location, they discovered the two Chinese proprietors of that business suffering from gunshot wounds. They were then rushed to the hospital where the man was pronounced dead on arrival and the woman later succumbed to her injuries. When news about this broke on social media, many Jamaicans across the diaspora responded in disgust at the level of crime in Jamaica. And to add fuel to the fire, while all this was going on, news came out of a police constable who was arrested and implicated in a murder for hire investigation.
District Constable Wright was found with an illegal Glock 26 pistol loaded with 11 9mm rounds. The motor car was seized and all three persons taken into custody and charged and arrested with illegal possession of firearms. Several other operational activities took place in the course of the day, and one Cavern Green of 7 Worksworth Avenue, Kingston 20, was held, and a Glock magazine containing 17 9mm rounds found. His premises was also searched. The team further went to 45 Eric Avenue, Kingston 20, where an operation was conducted. One Michael Harris was held, and 34 5.56 cartridges and 6 9mm cartridges, along with a police forage cap, found at his premises. He was also taken to custody. All 7 persons were arrested and placed in custody. I want to point out that the car that was intercepted was based on investigation and intelligence into an alleged contract killing, where contract was placed on the head of 3 females living in the western part of the island. In fact, $400,000 were given as a contracted fee to kill these 3 females. If it were not for the interception of that car, this morning we may have seen on the headline 3 females killed in the western part of the island.
Now, the Jamaican police is saying that they have good information on the person overseas who put a contract out on 3 Jamaican females from Western Jamaica. People, Black Lee is one of those Jamaicans who is venting his frustration right now at the level of crime and corruption in Jamaica. Let's take a listen to what Black Lee has to say right here.
He's a man on the news at Jamaica and stuff like that. But nowadays, I just watch it and I don't bother say another thing. Because you see people, when I say people, me like some black people, they don't like when you burn a fire upon certain things will cause a problem. See? 2 incidents more compound. A lot more, but me no time for it. See? Now me see a thing a go on where a policeman get hold, figure do a triple murder, for kill 3 women. You understand me? Me always say the problem I cause from in the police force and government system. No man really understand what me I say. So me nothing but I follow them things again anymore. You understand me? Because me realize that people just want to follow what the white man do. You understand me? And listen what the white man say. Yeah? But him now watch what one black man I do. You understand me? Me say it already and I'm going to say it again. Yeah? The worst people on the planet of this earth are right to the day, like to the day. Yeah? 26th of December. Yeah? The worst. Yeah? People in the world today right now. Yeah? Are some of my own black people. And real people know so truth me I talk. Black people always like to jump about racism, which me now left that out all the time because they sing upon that and they sing upon that. But them not realize them a damage them own self and damage them the rest of sisters and the rest of brothers. See? How can a man work in a security force? See? I carried such a dangerous act and criminal act. So what you left the next man around the corner for do? And a long time them thing you go on. I'm gonna bypass certain things like say, well, adjust. Man a cause trouble and this and that. The whole thing, yeah, I bring a problem. The government system is slack for a man and loose for a man. The police get away with this. They can talk to you, this, they can talk to you, they can carry a gun, they can move like a gunman. See, the problem of but I say that all the time. You understand? See? Everything killing. I saw people life cheap. Eh? And the boy, them want to do the thing, they have them mother, they have them sister, they have them kid, they have them son. Eh? So I want to take this thing here for now. On a serious note. You know now look on the problem what own people are deal with. I talk about the people who live in America, people who live in Canada, people who live in England, people who live in all we say them are Jamaican. You understand me? Want to stop going a certain thing, I talk about racism and cut that and pray one old black man I do. Say, pray what them I do. Say, the racism thing can't kill me. I'm say it again. I'm a one black man. I go kill he kill you. You understand for what? Bad mind. Because then I have nobody to speak to. So I go back to the law enforcement again. That not ready. That's why some boy get away with some things. And when you get some boy, why the point to put him in prison? For eat off taxpayer money? You kill him same place on the street. You hang him same place on the street. If you have a truck. When they pick up them boy, they hang them on the back of the truck. Live. Yeah? But you know on top. Because from the top corrupt. They don't like to jump on poor people and like to do this and like to do that and like to do this and like to do that. All little weed at Jamaica, they little eat that them and make it bad for the man them. What want to do good out of it, want to buy a bike, want to build a house. You know what I mean? Then get a little weed, they can't go stop if it gone. For what? Eh? Build up your community with it. You understand? But as I said to you, everything costs on the top. You understand? Nobody no respect nobody. See? But the reason I'm up on the platform this morning, there's a murder going on St. Elizabeth, Southfield, St. Elizabeth. See? What me understand is a Chinaman who run a business place in the community. See? Listen to that part here. So this Chinaman, you know, I run a business, you know, for sure, say I'm an ambitious man. And that's what me I pray. I'm an ambitious man. That me love. Man gone in place, gone demands, where them for demands. Then no get where them forget, then kill man, shot the man wife. Both of them dead. For them that's something where they work. That's what me I tell you about again. Who do that? Black man. For them thing where they work for. You know what your ears don't take to build that? Eh? And you have a little dirty, bad mind in junk. You know what I mean? Don't want to get up for go do something. Just want to run in a man place and take man things. You understand what I mean? See? So why taking that man to prison when you hold him? Why? This is what I talk about. You know saw him. Why taking him to prison? You have to deal with them man different enough from how you deal with bike man, you know. You don't got the law them mix up, you know. You understand what I mean? You have to deal with them liar different from when you catch taxi man, you know. Because you got the law them mix up, you know. I tell them both so no corrupt, you know. Saying? This is what I talk about. So this China man can sell food cheaper where people can go buy half pound of this, quarter pound of that, $50 this, $100 that. Yeah? And you don't think that man was a good man in the community? Yeah? Yeah? And wherever you come from, you can pass through around a man place and go kill that? Eh? Yo, at the community, sometime out of a hand over the people them to here, and stop trying to lock them and start to shield them and chop them like you chop up kalalo. You know what I mean? You understand what I mean? People work too long for them things for boy running, come take this and take that. You understand what I mean? How me not take nobody things? How the next man not take nobody things? Mr. Kincaid and the whole of the rich money where they have. No work, they work for them something, sir. Everybody who has sitting where they feel mean, they say, no, they work for them. So why you not going to work for you? It might take your time, but try. This is what I talk about. Everything gonna put white man on nothing. White man this, white man that, white man are good people. They might fight corner for black people and black people are kill everybody. Saying the system not ready, man. System not ready. System not they don't have that. Me I tell a man straight and also things to deal with. the security force and the law enforcement force and the government system have to be tougher, yeah? And they have to be equal, and they have to be honest. And they ain't honest. This is what the problem is. You can't keep on and look for the bad youth, me say it again. You keep on and look for the bad youth, who look for the good youth, to put something at the good youth them head, and show them the road and say, listen, you can be this, you can be that, you can be that. You know what I mean? Everything just turn corrupt. Artists are fight against artists, this, that. Everybody's turn bad man for what? Why you should not motivate me and me motivate you? Why you don't have a house and me have a house and me I say, boy, I want to have a house like other man there. Eh? Why we don't push each other and motivate each other? Why are fighting each other and take a try to kill man for him things where him have? For what? So back on this killing of St. Elizabeth, this is why I'm come up on the video. Yeah, I mean, that man to me, I don't know this man, but that man to me, he served the community well. Seemed to me like a lot of people could go there without even money and get whatever they want. What could get from that gunman? Eh? I destroy the place and destroy people. I don't care which man want to come from, I do business in Jamaica, long and I do something to uplift the community. That's how me believe, you know. You know what I mean? Whether the man a China, or a Syrian, or a black man, or a nigger, or a Rasta man, or we want these are human beings then killed. This is what I talk about. So we want this to go out there. You understand? And stop playing the thing. And stop overlook on certain things. Want to overlook on and true, you know, pretty and true, you know, nice. The problem at Jamaica right now are the same type of people amongst each other. From government system, go straight down to security, go straight to all the old people nowadays are for them mind up on a different levels. Me I tell you the truth. You know what I mean? At times I come. Just say times, when times is coming, sign and wonders. Just like this COVID video. Wanna get real. Yo, remember me tell you now. You see a real people they can't change, you know. And a real people will always love people. And a real people always check for people. But some people just switch up, you can't trust nothing money you got to school with again. You understand me? That's why sometimes you have to say you turn both, say you this, say that. No, because you're smart. You can't eat from them again. You can't drink from them again. I don't something you want, but you have to do it. Stay there, look out on all. You understand me? So this me I talk about. I don't know hype thing. More want this to go, that more man to look what go on in the system at Jamaica. Should set a start from government system, go straight down, the security, go straight down. You understand me? And when the police them caught the bad boy, and when they see the good boy, who looking out for the good boy they need to go to college, the good boy they need to have a trade, the good boy they need to turn good police, the good boy they need to turn good teacher. This is what but not to kill everybody and this and that. Everybody hate each everybody and this and that. And this power thing and this and that. You understand what I mean? You need somebody who understand how to run a country with a good heart and common sense. That's all me got to say. Good heart and common sense. Because a lot of poor people feel it. The rich people them probably get away there because they have the security and something they don't need to go out and then fly, go and then go on a foreign and then this and that. But what a man will really around the corner. You know what I mean? We can't get by. You know what I mean? When you go to a station, you want to take film statement because taxi use come there, not in drive come there. So you look down upon him. And go and spread this cross here. Yeah, this is not hype business. This is a serious thing. That's why sometimes I'm not in building a video again now because people look what they want to look into and I look on the real facts of life. You understand what I mean? So all this policeman, these two policemen where serve and protect, where I get pay for go kill people. That me I try to say to you some boy a week. Because you see them 3 women, you know, I could have done them and them man done, you know. Him can't take it, you know. Him can't take it. Him have a sent for go kill them. Tell them a idiot. Then say you got more, say you got more next 6 girl on top of that. You understand? Some boy a fool. On a week. You understand? You can't no find no gun boy for the same man and fight them face to face with hand. You understand me? Because man will thumb down on a do it. You know what I mean? On a coward, you know want to sound like waste little people. You know what I mean? Some decent people want to try to take away from a loved one. You understand what I mean? You see me I say, everybody want to get rich, everybody want to get this, but nobody no want to work. Bad mind. Joke thing.
Well, alright, we can hear the anger and frustration in a Black Levi's, right? And me I go tell you something. This right here, so with the police constable thing, it's only fueling a lot of Jamaicans right now who were already of the notion that a lot of the crimes, if not most of the crimes in Jamaica is being carried out by members of the security forces, you know. Because when you see the constable that go on with, it only a show say, yo, our people did that say long time. Watch the man people, we reach the end of the video. More want to tell me in the comment section what you want to think about this right here. Alright, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now we unstoppable. Unstoppable.